This is going to be vital because with the recipe, it doesn't matter the ratio of your peaches and mangoes. Honestly, that's just a personal preference. I typically do like 1/3 mangoes, 2/3 peaches, but it really doesn't matter. It's if you like a lot of the mango flavor, do half and half or whatever. But so the portions of the peaches versus the mangoes doesn't matter. But what does matter is the amount of fruit that you are putting in the jam. That will make a difference on how much pectin and how much sugar you use, and that'll determine on how thick the jam sets up. I love that my pan has these measurements on here. So if you forget to measure your fruit as you put it in the pan and your pan has these, you can go by that. So you can tell that says how many quarts and liters and all that. So now, based on the amount of fruit I'm using, I'm going to double, triple, whatever the recipe. I think in this case I was tripling the recipe in order to, make enough jam and have the right proportions.